Today, we will discuss the while loop. This code uses a while loop to print number from 1 to 10. Initialize the variable I equal 1. This line initializes a variable I with a value of 1. While loop. While I decrease 10, print I plus 1. This while loop continues to execute as long as the condition I greater than 5 is true. Inside the loop, print I prints the current value of I plus 1 increments the value of I by 1 after each interaction. The loop checks the condition I equal 10. If true, it executes the code inside the loop. The current value of I is printed. The value of I is incremented by 1. Step 1 to 3. Repeat until I exceeds 10. When I exceeds 10, the loop condition becomes false and the loop terminates.